Hello everyone, this is Debbie Parrier. For this assignment, for this week assignments, I have researched about IO psychology job descriptions, and as I was researching and working on these assignments, I was able to learn many things that I didn't know, which I will share later as I will talk about the job descriptions. And the career path to becoming an IO Psych, which is Industrial Organizational Psychology, begins with a bachelor degree in psychology, and there are many things that we have to prepare to work in this field as a professional psychologist, and that I will share some of it because the video has to be less than 5 minutes, and this positions requires to apply the principle of psychology in personnel, administration, management, sales, marketing, problem solving, and formulate and implement trainings programs applying principles of learning and individual differences, and also consulting in a private companies or in a government companies. And this is the position summary of IO psychology. But as we do have a lot of duties and principles as we work in the psychology field as a psychologist, and when they one of the responsibilities is to employee screening or recruiting or interviewing, selecting, hiring, or promoting employees in an organization. And we also have to develop a training and development for the employees, and identifying the educational needs of others, developing formal education or training programs or classes, and teaching or instructing others. They look for so many different abilities before they hire us, and some of the abilities are oral comprehension, which is the ability means the ability to listen to and understand information and ideas presented through spoken words and sentences. And we have to have a speech clarity, which means the ability to speak clearly to others so that others can understand. And we must have the problem solving abilities, which means to ability to tell when something is wrong or is likely to go wrong. And it's not only involved in problem solving, but also recognizing there is a problem. Pardon me. We must have the mathematical reasoning thinking because we will be working with a lot of numbers in a big company, which means we have to have the ability to choose the right mathematical methods or formulas to solve a problem. I'm so sorry. Why I choose the psychology because I love to lead the group and work in a teams, and IO psychology degree will allow me this opportunity to work in group and opportunity to be a leader, and I also like to work in diverse people with a different ethnic groups, so that I can learn and grow together and share my abilities or my personality, which helps me to strengthen workplace communities and build characters. I hope this video is not too long. I hope you enjoy this video or voice. Thank you.